Hey YouTube, what is going on? So what we have here is a brand new video, and today we are going to be repairing this iPod Classic. So this is an iPod Classic 5.5. It has the best sound quality out of all the iPod Classics, and what we're going to be doing is giving this a lot of new things. It's going to have a new front and a new back, and a new battery, which is going to be one of those extended ones, and we're going to be putting flash storage in here for 256 gigabytes. So what we have here are everything to do it. We have this 256 gigabyte Samsung micro SD card. We have this front cover for iPod Classic, and then we have this back cover which says 256 gigabytes, just like the new iPod storage will be. And then we have the adapter to put micro SD storage in it, the iFlash Quad, and you could put up to 4 in here actually. And then we have the extended battery here. So anyways, let's get right into this video. So the iPod has a lot of surface scratches, and just on the front and the back. The click wheel is a bit scratched as well, but that's kind of expensive to replace. So we're going to be either using this one or another one I have. I don't know which one looks better. I'll have to check. The battery doesn't last very long, only a few minutes, and is actually expanding, so creating a gap here. So this definitely does need to be fixed up, so yeah. Okay, so we're just going to be using the original click wheel because that one looks better than the other ones. So anyways, let's get right into this repair. So as you can see, we have cracked open the iPod. It is a bit difficult to do, especially if you haven't done many repairs, but we're finally in. And the first thing I notice is, well, that battery does look to be expanding a little bit, not as bad as I thought. There's also this weird oil on the back of this, so I don't really know what that's about, but we'll have to clean that up. So yeah. So we have taken apart the back cover, we've taken out everything we need, we have this flex cable now. I also grabbed the bottom piece. You'll notice I did not take this off on the old housing, and that is because it was completely cracked. So I just took this from another iPod I had laying around. You could probably pick one up really cheap if you needed one. So I'm just going to clean that off, and then we can start reassembling the new housing.
Searching for a reason. Came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. You won't bring me down.
Be careful. May become hot. Careful, guys.
Holding on forever. I thought that this time you would have to burn me Tropical vibes are taking
And just like that, we're done. It's ready to be set up. Easy as that. Well, not really. Off camera, there was a lot of struggling going on because, first of all, you might have noticed in the video, I did not tape anything. So before, there used to be a wobbling battery in here. But when I fixed that, then the new flash drive wouldn't be detected. So I opened this up about 5 different times until I finally figured out what was wrong, and it's finally ready to go. So it did take quite a while, although this is my first flash modded iPod Classic I've ever done, and I haven't done many iPod Classic repairs in general. So overall, this went really, really well. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh yeah, and by the way, 230 gigs. That's a lot of storage.